Plasma systems are widely used in waste gas treatment, medical treatment, surface treatment, material synthesis, and other fields. Plasma ionizes the air through a high-voltage electric field to form a high-energy plasma, thereby changing the surface properties of materials, degrading organic matter, sterilizing and disinfecting, manufacturing thin films and nanomaterials, material cutting and welding, and other applications. However, when the plasma equipment is working, the high-energy electric field ionizes the air, and some oxygen molecules are excited and react to generate ozone. Therefore, the space where the plasma equipment works is filled with pungent ozone odor, and personnel cannot stay for a long time, and other equipment and accessories will be corroded. Even the plasma equipment itself is prone to malfunction due to corrosion. The gas emitted by plasma contains more ozone, which will damage the atmospheric environment and cause environmental pollution. When using plasma equipment, we need to use an ozone decomposition and destruction catalyst to reduce the ozone in the exhaust gas to oxygen, so as to achieve harmless emissions. MINSLITE-B is a catalyst material specially used for the destruction of ozone at various concentrations. It can destroy the molecular structure of ozone and decompose it into oxygen. It does not consume any energy and is a very economical and effective method.